Now's the time to register for the 2019 Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper Tech Expo, brought to you by AutoWares. This year's big show will be held in Grand Rapids, Michigan, Friday, February 8th and Saturday, February 9th, 2019 at the DeVos Convention Center. Automotive technicians, service writers, shop owners, diesel specialists, painters, this show is for you. Tech Expo offers you the opportunity to train with the best. Both technological and managerial classes are available to help you run the most efficient and profitable business possible. We've added a whole set of workshops for Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper locations on Friday as well. Join sessions on digital advertising, social media, hiring, customer relations, and member program updates. Also, take advantage of the Manufacturer's Trade Show. Friday night and Saturday, you'll boost your parts and repair knowledge after chatting with the teams from the best automotive parts suppliers in the country. Tech Expo offers the largest trade show floor for aftermarket parts anywhere in the region. Plus, take advantage of manufacturers' special pricing and discounts offered only at the Tech Expo. And yes, there'll be lots and lots of good food. Enjoy first-class food and beverages served each day during Tech Expo. Then on Saturday night, it's fun and games at Casino Night. After 2 days of training, it's time to let loose. Enjoy cocktails, hors d'oeuvres, music, and simulated gaming at dozens of mock casino gaming tables. Win big by walking away with exciting prizes. There truly is something for anyone and everyone who's in the vehicle service and parts industry at the 2019 Tech Expo. Now listen, you don't want to wait to register. Classes have limited space available. Plus, if you register early, you can take advantage of our special trade show contest and hopefully win some awesome prizes. Just visit avtechexpo.com right now or talk to your AutoWares representative today. Don't miss the 2019 Tech Expo in Grand Rapids at DeVos Place, February 8th and 9th. See you at the Expo.